Look at the size of this bad boy. It's like 20-something feet tall. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Chris Lance, your favorite chainsaw carver from Georgia. Here we are, 17 feet in the air. Wish you had bought the longer power gouge. I'll have to get the rest of that with a saw. I'm getting ready to go to war with this two-headed alligator. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I forgot my socks this morning. The saw works, I promise.
What are you going to get in this? Or is that just a chunk that you need to get out of there?
Kind of, dude. I was just going to put like a little turtle on something here and then maybe a heron right here.
I shall call this alligator many cups. Happens all the time. So right now I'm setting the stage for the feather layout. Alright, that's good enough for now, and I'm going to go ahead and take the 50 gauge saw and clean up this little chunk here and pull the rest of this head out from the body. Got the little fairy door, some cracked plaster and brickwork here. Toad King smoking his cigar in the parapets to the top of a lighthouse, which is like a signature thing down here. Fairy windows. Little baby fairy door where I found all the nails. Some more brickwork. You got a little mushroom. Here's the teacups and teapots with Steve with a heart and Stacy. There's the gator going up and the splash. You got his bent tail that you can only really see from over here. And the hummingbird and the flower. And you got flowers and vines going all the way up. That's a little gnome peeking out the window. Over here above the parapets, we got a blue heron, some books, and the vines, and it goes up to little owls. Yeah, there it is, guys, and this was a freaking giant one, dude. 22 feet tall.